Amanda again. And I'm here today with my awesome daughter Ada. She's my oldest, my mini me. Okay, today we're gonna make a cute little bird that's gonna look kind of like this. So what we need is, of course, some construction paper, some glue, scissors, and then you can use googly eyes if you have them. I happen to have lots of googly eyes at my house. But if you don't, you could just draw your eyes on, that's fine. Okay, Ada, what color would you like your bird to be?
Orange.
You want your body to be orange? Okay.
Yeah.
I brought this pencil. A pencil too. Can you use a pencil? I'm gonna make mine purple, I think. Okay. So parents, to help your younger kiddos, you might want to help them trace out like a half circle shape. They can cut it though. I know that my four-year-old kids in my class can cut, so I'm sure that yours can at home too. And of course, any older kids can probably just draw it themselves also. All right. Okay, so are you ready, Ada? Let's see if we have another pencil for you. So just draw out kind of a large, here, watch me. A large half circle shape. And then you're going to cut it out. And it makes it easier if you do it on the edge, because then you have that flat side that you already need.
Mom,
Yes,
this is
babe.
good.
Yep. Perfect. And remember, crafts are not supposed to be perfect, they're just supposed to be fun. That's what I love about them. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, I have lots of little scraps here too. I love to keep my scraps because then they work great for little projects like this. So we're going to cut out a little beak for our bird. So Ada, I would suggest you use yellow because your birdie is orange.
Yeah.
So an orange beak won't show up. So to make a beak, we can just make a small triangle shape. And again, parents, you might want to help your little kiddos with this to draw it, but they probably can cut it themselves. Okay, so that small triangle is going to get glued on to the front of our little birdie as his beak. Do you have a glue stick? Cute, Ada. Is it okay if Mommy goes ahead of you a little bit?
Can you just glue the
Yep, just put, yeah, you could just put glue on the back edge. You don't have to glue the whole triangle because part of it's going to stick out off of the little bird. Then you're going to choose a color to be the bird's wing. I'm going to choose this dark pink here. You can do this any kind of shape that you want to be its wing. I'm going to make it kind of just a large triangle because that's easy. You can choose any color you want. So here's my large triangle. I'm going to put glue on the back. Whoops. And I'm going to glue it on my bird in his middle for his little wings. And then to dress it up a little, I'm going to put another color inside of that color. So I think, since I have yellow here, I'm just going to choose yellow. I like that color combination, Ada. Very cute. Look, do you want to put a middle part too? Okay, what color would you like for that? Pink, okay. You want to use my pink? I already cut into it. Okay, and while Ada is cutting, I'm going to make a couple of tail feathers. So those are just long longer strips or like skinny rectangles. And again, they don't have to be perfect. I'm using the same small piece I used for the inside of my wing. So then I'm going to just put the glue on the edge here. And I'm going to glue it down to his tail feather section. Cute. Which color you want his tail to be? Blue. This is a pretty blue, right? So you might want to cut it like this. Cut that in half. And then I'll do another one and cut that in half. That way you'll have 4 strips. I'm going to leave my birdie with just 3 little tail feathers. So here's what it looks like so far. Good job, that's cute. Put enough glue, it's gonna really stick on there. Don't be afraid of the glue. There you go. Do the other 2 or 3. You can make as many tail feathers as you want to. And then I'm going to choose an eye. I have these fun googly eyes that are different colors, so I'm going to actually choose a blue googly eye for my bird. What color do you think you'll want, Ada? Black. Okay. Going with basic black there. I like it. I like it. All right, here you go. Cute. And then I like to use a bottle Elmer's glue, or even a tacky glue if you have that at home for googly eyes, because the glue stick glue doesn't tend to like to stay on there. Let's see if my glue wants to work. I think it's stuck. All right, let's see. All right, there you go, baby. Oh, there's my little birdie with his eye on. If you want to, you can add little feet. You can also make any like polka dots. You could get some paint, maybe make some fingerprint polka dots around. There's lots of things that you could do with these cute little birds, but they are just super adorable. You want to add something to yours? Okay, what are you gonna add on? Maybe I'll add some green polka dots. And my polka dots are not perfect polka dots, and that's okay. A video bomber we have, Ada. She's cutting in on our show. Very cute. I think I'll just add one more.
And there's now 8 of you.
Ah, she stuck to my finger. Okay, well here is my bird so far. And like I said, you can do whatever you want to make your bird fancy. Do you want to show them what you've done so far? Oh, I like that. You added a little extra piece to the wing. His eyeballs slide. Want to hold it up? Very cute. I like it. So here's our little spring birdies, and I can't wait to see what you guys make. And I miss you so much. I hope you're having fun hanging out at home and making Miss Amanda's crafts. Okay, bye.